DJT stock analysis update. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Trump Media stock is a very interesting stock in a very interesting place. We are up like 1.3% for the day, but for me to pull the trigger and really be bullish here, proudly, let's put it that way, is I wanted to see a double break to the upside. How did that look like? I simply said I just wanted to see the price break above 31.48. Nah, and it didn't. There is no full 1 hour candle close above it. So I wanted to see something like this, pull down in another break like that. If the price gave me that, then I would have been already on, but still waiting, and that's fine. Sometimes waiting is the answer, and that's exactly what I'm going to do here. Wait. So I'm going to keep you updated. If you want to learn the strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions for free, just check the photo in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.